Welcome to Auto Resolve. In this guide, I will show you how to fix the JBL wireless microphone receiver not charging issue covering power and battery fixes step by step.
Fix 1. Check the charging cable and adapter. Step 1. Inspect your USB cable for damage or fraying. Step 2. Try a different USB cable and adapter that are known to work. Step 3. Plug into a wall outlet instead of a computer USB port. Fix 2. Clean the charging port. Step 1. Turn off the receiver. Step 2. Use a soft brush or compressed air to remove dust or debris from the charging port. Step 3. Reconnect the charger and check if it charges. Fix 3. Reset the receiver. Step 1. Locate the reset button or hold the power button for 10 to 15 seconds if no reset button. Step 2. Release and try charging again. Step 3. Ensure the LED indicator shows charging.